Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to do this really cute half braid, half crochet look in just a few easy steps. Also, shout out to Jerry the Worst. This look was inspired by her. Alright, so I'm starting this look off on some freshly washed and blow dried hair, and as you can see I already have my hair sectioned off in the front, and then in the back I just kind of made one big section, and I'm going to start on my cornrows. And I really wish that I can explain to you guys how to cornrow, but honestly it just took me a lot of trial and error over the years. I usually braid my hair up under my wigs, so that's really how I got my practice in. It just takes a lot of trial and error, and practice makes perfect. And when doing your braids in the back, you want to make sure that your braids are nice and tight, because this is what your crochet hair is going to hold on to, and you want to have a nice strong foundation so that none of them slips out, because we don't want them problems. So in this clip, I'm just showing you guys one more time how I do my cornrow, just in case you wanted to see like how my fingers move and the technique that I've developed along the years. Like I said, it took a lot of trial and error to get to this point. So just be patient with yourself and you're gonna get it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and move on to our first section in the front, and I'm just taking my scrunchie out, and then I'm going to do a diagonal part to create like a little triangle space kind of thingy. And first I was just kind of braiding my hair just to make sure that all of my hair reached, because like I said, I recently did a big chop, so I just want to make sure that my hair was long enough to braid like that, and it made it, so I was happy about that. Then I just went in with my comb and perfected the part, because this is one of the main parts of the hair, so you want to make sure that it is nice and crisp and clean. Then I'm taking my kaleidoscope edge control and I'm just putting that along the sides of the braids, and this is what's really going to give you that sleek look. It also really helps with the braiding process because it molds your hair into place, and it makes it a lot easier to grab the hair when you're moving on to the next little section. So I really love doing this when I'm trying to do like a sleek braided look. And now I'm taking my kaleidoscope edge brush and I'm just kind of laying my baby hairs down, just getting them into place so that they won't be like caught up in the braid. I'm also taking the brush and just brushing the sides of my hair down just to make sure everything is nice and in place. Again, we're going for a nice sleek look, so making sure that all of the hairs are laid down is an essential part. And now I'm just going to go ahead and begin braiding. And then I'm just going to show you guys one more time. I'm just using the edge control to slick my hair down, and then I'm just going to braid it into place. And I highly suggest using this edge control. It has definitely become my favorite. It's the Kaleidoscope Miracle Edges, and it's in a lot of the beauty supply stores, and it's also sold in Target now. So I definitely suggest going out and get this. This is my favorite. Alright, so now I am all done with braiding my hair, and I get to move on to my favorite part, which is actually crocheting the hair in. And the hair that I'll be using today is the Kima Braid in Ripple Deep 20 inches, and I have color 1, and as you can see it was $5.99 a pack, and I purchased 3 packs. And I chose this specific one because I really wanted something that looked really natural and that kind of mimicked like a natural twist out. And I really feel like this hair just spoke to me and it really gives me that look. And just look how bouncy the curls and everything are. So yeah, I fell in love with this hair. So as you can see, the hair breaks off into little pieces. So I'm just going to be using the pieces and my crochet hook to crochet it into my braid. And the crochet process is actually a lot easier than most people think. So you just pull the closed crochet hook through your hair, and then you're going to open up the latch and sit the piece of hair into the loop of the crochet hook, close it up, and then you're going to pull it back through your hair. After you've pulled it through, you're going to open up the latch, take the hair off, and you're going to put your fingers through the little loop of hair, and you're going to pull the other side through. And you want to make sure that you pull it nice and tight so that it holds on to your braid and you don't have to worry about it slipping out. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing in the next couple of clips, just so you guys can really get the hang of it. And now that I'm done with the crocheting part, I'm just taking my fingers and breaking the hair apart just to give it a more natural look. And again, we're going for the natural look, so I just took my wide tooth comb and I brushed it through the hair, and this is because I didn't want the curls to look so uniform. And then I decided I wanted to add like some little layers in it, so I took my scissors and I began to cut. Now I'm just going to take my Eco Styling Gel and just lay my edges, and this is what's really going to complete this look. So then I tied my hair up for about 20-30 minutes while I did my makeup, and this is the finished results. I was really satisfied with the results. Honestly, I did not think that my hair was going to come out this doggone good, because like I said, I have been practicing on my braiding, but like honestly I kind of snapped low-key. So now I'm just kind of playing around with my hair a little more and just making it a little more poofy, because I love like a messy look. So I'm just combing it out a bit more and just playing with it, but I absolutely love how my hair turned out. It is so cute. This style lasted me for about a week and a half. I get tired of styles real easily, so that's why it probably could have lasted me, I would say maybe 3 weeks at the most. But yeah, this style was really easy to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.